Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete character on Call of Dragons. Right now in Call of Dragons, there isn't a built-in feature that allows you to delete just one specific character, so you can remove a single hero profile while keeping the rest of your account intact. Instead, the system ties all characters directly to your account, which means the only way to fully remove them is by deleting the entire account itself, and that action will automatically erase every character linked to it. If you're trying to reset progress or fix a mistake, support will usually confirm that individual character deletion is not supported, so contacting them can help clarify your options but won't unlock a hidden removal tool. As an alternative, you can simply stop using the unwanted character and continue playing on another one, since most accounts allow multiple characters per server depending on progression rules, and in some cases, you may still be able to adjust early decisions like civilization choices without restarting completely. Ultimately, unless the developers add a dedicated feature in a future update, your realistic options are either creating a new account for a fresh start or continuing with a different character instead of trying to delete only one. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.